Hello guys! So again guys, we have a new camera here and a new setup guys. We have a podcast setup from AAB World guys, and we're here with Audrey and Brian Puntanar. So today guys, we will talk about the new Sony A7R Mark V. So it's newly released and we will make a quick unbox and we will talk about the camera, and they will ask these two guys regarding their thoughts about this new Sony A7R Mark V. So let's do the unboxing with your honor, Mr. Brian Puntanar. And happy birthday to Brian Puntanar. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. And please subscribe to my channel because it's my birthday. Pabonus na lang.
Okay.
Yan.
So let's do the unboxing again. So again, this is the Sony A7R Mark V. Mark V. Okay. Again, before while he's unboxing the camera, we will read the key features of the camera. Again, this is 61 megapixel full frame with AI-based real-time tracking autofocus system, 4K 16-bit RAW output, S-Log 3 with a S-Cinetone, and 3.2 4-axis multi-angle touchscreen LCD. And yeah, let's do the honor. While yan. And 8-stop 5-axis image stabilization.
4K 16-bit, you need to use
Monitor like output. So it meaning 4K 16-bit RAW output. So you need the Holy Land or not Holy Land.
Ninja.
Atomos. Any recorder that's compatible with this camera. Again, Bions, XR and AI processing unit.
8K.
And it also can record now as 8K with a 24p and 4K up to 60p, Full HD 120p 10-bit video. Oh, 10 frames per second shooting with the AI tracking and dual CF Express Type A. So, and guys, again, let's do the honor for unboxing. For sure, there's a lot, tons of review on this camera already in the YouTube. So today we're gonna talk about only the camera and the thoughts for this camera. So let's unbox. First, what's to?
I think this is the HDMI cable support.
HDMI, tama. HDMI, it's ready. HDMI, USB, and multi. Bahala na sila. Yeah.
Next is we have this one, the
Power
adapter.
Power cord.
Power cord. This is quite from here cord. Ito. We have the catalog. Sony strap.
Of course, it's A7R. It's written here, A7R embossed, di ba? It's embossed A7R.
Yes, it's embossed already. Before it's like a
Printed type.
Yeah, printed
Now
type.
it's embossed. So
It
yeah.
be if FJID 100
Okay.
battery.
same battery.
Same battery with the A7R4. Include with the charger. Also the Type C for charging. And the main product is our camera.
The A7R.
A7R Mark V. So what is the
Wow.
Mark 4?
Wow.
Okay.
It's normal from Sony that they remove they don't have this
Yeah.
mode dial, you know.
And they have lock for
This is a lock, right? What is this dial for?
I think you can customize.
Customizable.
shutter speed, ISO, exposure
Nagsasalita
compensation.
yung natin, director. Nagsasalita. Videographer nagsasalita.
Bilang yun sa salita ko.
Nagsasalita yung videographer natin, no? Hindi naman natin kinukuha yung opinion niya. Bakit?
Okay dyan, sige sumali.
Meron siyang mga yung
Wala naman na itulong yun. Alisin nyo na yan.
Again, it's USB-C. And now all the Sony camera guys, they made already the HDMI. It's full HDMI, not with the micro HDMI. I think they remove and they use
Better
now the
full
full HDMI. For me, I prefer full HDMI. For you?
Better.
Yeah, better.
Yeah, full HDMI is more, yes. I think it's more durable, right? Anong lock na to? I think it's new for me.
It's for
This is new,
photo
right?
and video. Quick switch.
Quick switch. Photo and video.
And slow motion. SMQ.
Okay, and the SD card, which is two CF Express Type A and SD card. SD card UHS 2, right?
Yes. You want to record the high frame rate, you need the...
How much the price of this? 1,249 Kuwaiti dinar, right? So what do you think of the camera? If you have money, 1,249, you will buy A7R Mark IV, or you have any option?
I think I will buy better because there's a new added features.
Added features, right? See?
Oh.
Oh. Wow.
So you have a lot of body angle.
So do you think Gemma will allow you to buy this one?
I think I will sleep
I will
outside for 1 year if I will buy this one.
How about birthday boy? How do you think of the camera?
I think
Do you think you will switch from Fuji to Sony?
I think my videographer will buy this one for me because it's my birthday. Shout out to my videographer, Robert Dircho. Tomorrow, he will buy me a new 7R Mark 5.
Do you think it's if you want to upgrade the Mark 5 from Mark 4, if you own a Mark 4?
No.
Why?
4K 16-bit RAW is you can use only for monitor. It's still the specs sheets of this one to A7 4 is very few.
I think 8K, right? It's 8K.
Yeah,
The
8K.
A7R Mark 4 is not 8K.
8K.
And the autofocus, I think there is they add for the AI for I think
train like
yes for track or something.
track. Yeah.
It's similar with the Sony Canon R6.
Mark II.
Yes. What do you think, Bri? As a videographer, do you think this is a good investment for you?
Yes, correct.
Brian is a
especially-
good in video.
It has now the capable of the using CF Express memory card.
Yes, and it's expensive.
Expensive. And it's fast.
No, it's good because
It's good, yes.
if you want to record the high bitrate of the camera, which is then
CF Express.
you need to purchase the CF Express Type A.
Even UHS2 cannot process the high speed. You need CF Express Type A. SD cannot process even UHS2. Even the tough one for Sony cannot.
But if you have, for
cannot.
example, you have A7R Mark III, I think it's a good
It's good upgrade.
it's good upgrade. Right? It's good to start. It's good to upgrade your camera.
Yeah,
Right?
big upgrade for A7R Mark V. Almost 80% of the specs is fully new for A7R
From
Mark V.
43 to 61, and now
It's 8K already.
And I love the screen. I love the way they make the screen. It's new, right?
Yes,
See?
this is very angle.
Oh, so you have a lot of option, guys, for the screen. Your final thoughts for the Sony A7R Mark V? It's the best
First,
upgrade or
best upgrade because you're using the dual CF Express.
I think compared to A1, this is more cheaper.
yes.
And it has
It's almost
61
similar.
megapixels.
It's almost 8K.
Almost similar.
Almost
to A1.
similar specs with the A1. But the A1, how much they want? 1,700, 800 something. 1,800, right? So I think, guys, that's it for today. Our podcast for today. First podcast unboxing on AB World. So, and again, thank you for Audrey. Okay, your final thoughts for the camera A7R Mark V. As a photographer. As a photographer, what do you think of the
For 61 megapixel, it's good. Especially if you want large printing, 61 is very big file for you to print. And for the video-wise, 8K. Now, I think 8K is the new game for all video camera.
Thank you, Audrey. And for the videographer side, Brian Puntanar, the birthday boy.
8K video, this too much for me. I think I need to buy a new computer.
And
For this
lens.
one.
I think
And
if you shoot 8K, I think it will be crop, right?
Yeah.
So you need a wider lens.
Wider lens, yes, correct.
I think it's if you have A7R Mark III, if you want, if you're willing to upgrade, then I think this is a good upgrade from A7 III to A7 V. Again, guys, the camera is good for photo and video. I think that's it for today, guys. I think this is the first impression. One day we will make a test on the camera for photo and video. We will try. If we have the demo unit, then We will try, guys. Again, guys.
Side
Yeah.
to side comparison. ng
Side to side,
A7R.
A7R Mark.
A7
A7 4. A7R Mark 4.
Yeah.
So, yan guys. I think that's it for today. Flex time. First, I want to flex my PBK 2.0 na si Palaboy FW. Natakot. Ayaw pumupo dito kasi English.
I can English. No problem. As long as you can manage me.
Oh, guys. Si Julius na. Nandito na ba si Julius?
Wala na.
Nandito na, hindi lang magparamdam.
Yung start ng ano.
Yan. Si Audrey, si Brian Butaran, happy birthday, Bri.
Happy birthday,
At
Bri.
syempre, si Alpha. So,
Director na.
yes. So, again guys, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you. Again guys, if you want to check the camera, you can check to our website. It's available already in our website, guys. Or if you want to check the camera itself, you can visit us here in AAB World Symphony Mall. Symphony Mall. Tama. Symphony and Megastore showroom. So you can check also to our branches like Igela and Shamia branch. Or check again guys to our website www.abworld.com. So we have the price on the A7R Mark 5 on the website. So again guys, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you and mabuhay.